So this actually works, guys, so keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video.
Hello there, little birds and fish. Today I will show you how to get verified on Roblox. Then you can have the verified badge, guys, and you can be someone that feels cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So go to Roblox and go into the settings, and then you see this thing that says verified badge, and you need dev mode for it. So just press begin validation, press continue, and then your account will get the verified badge even if you're not a developer. And I'm going to show you how to download this so you can actually get verified. So as you can see, it worked. So I'm going to press apply fast track, verify and promote, and let's see if we get verified, guys. So it is going through the process right now. All right, we're done. So as you can see, it says assigning developer privileges, so I'm just gonna let it do that. This doesn't require a jailbreak, so that is awesome. So let's just give it a second here for this to load, and then we should be verified on Roblox, and then I'm gonna show you how to get it. So as you can see, we are now verified, and it says your account is now verified. So I'm gonna show you how to get verified. It's really easy. So go to matrixmods.com and find the Roblox verification badge app, press download, and that's it. It will download. It's simple as that. Now there is one last step, which is the verification. It's 100% for free from official app store, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it says right here, almost there, additional files are required. So you have to download 2 of these free apps from the App Store to get verified. So for instance, Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Or I could do like Underdog Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game. So just make sure you do 2 of them and you're gonna be good to go, guys. Peace out, my gang and my crew.